Claude Opus versus GPT-3, which solves code better. Today, we dive into how these AI models handle complex coding challenges, enhancing your software development skills.
Welcome to our deep dive into AI coding models. Ever wondered how AI can solve complex coding problems? Meet Claude Opus and GPT-3, two titans in the AI world. In this video, we'll explore their strengths and weaknesses in tackling code. Get ready to enhance your productivity as a developer by understanding how these AI tools can assist you. Don't forget to comment on your favorite AI model. Claude Opus and GPT-3 are at the forefront of AI technology, each with unique features. Claude Opus, crafted by Anthropic, focuses on safe and reliable AI interactions, while GPT-3, developed by OpenAI, is renowned for its vast language model capabilities. Both have revolutionized industries, from tech to finance, by offering advanced problem-solving tools. Understanding their core functionalities can help developers like you leverage their strengths in everyday coding tasks. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture of which AI could become your next coding partner.
When it comes to coding capabilities, both models have their own methods. Claude Opus excels in generating safe and understandable code by focusing on context and user-friendly interactions. Meanwhile, GPT-3 offers a more versatile approach with its broad language understanding, making it a favorite for generating creative coding solutions. By analyzing practical examples, we'll see how each model approaches a specific problem, helping you determine which might suit your coding style better. Imagine using AI not just to write code but to suggest innovative solutions that you might not have considered. Syntax errors can be a developer's nightmare, but AI is here to help. Claude Opus offers robust error detection and correction, prioritizing clarity and accuracy. On the other hand, GPT-3 provides a creative approach to error handling, often suggesting unique solutions to traditional problems. By examining real-world examples, you'll see how each model identifies and corrects errors, enhancing your debugging skills. Whether you're a novice or an expert, these AI tools can streamline your workflow, saving you precious time and effort in the coding process. Efficiency is key in coding, and both Claude Opus and GPT-3 excel in code completion. Claude Opus is known for its speed and accuracy, often completing tasks faster due to its streamlined algorithms. GPT-3, with its extensive data training, offers a more diverse range of solutions, though sometimes requiring more processing time. In this section, we'll delve into case studies that highlight how these models have transformed coding efficiency. Imagine reducing your coding time by half, thanks to AI. It's not just a dream, it's a reality with these advanced tools. Real-world applications of AI in coding are abundant. Claude Opus has been implemented in industries ranging from healthcare to finance, offering reliable and precise coding solutions. GPT-3, with its creative problem-solving capabilities, is used in tech startups and large enterprises alike. We'll explore stories of successful implementations, highlighting how each model has been adapted to meet specific needs. These examples showcase the transformative impact of AI on coding tasks, providing insights into future developments and potential uses. Whether it's automating routine tasks or innovating new solutions, AI is reshaping the coding landscape.
While AI models like Claude Opus and GPT-3 are powerful, they aren't without limitations. Claude Opus, though precise, can struggle with creative tasks. GPT-3, while versatile, may not always produce consistently accurate results. Understanding these limitations is crucial for developers, as it helps in setting realistic expectations. We'll discuss the balance between leveraging strengths and mitigating weaknesses, along with future improvements on the horizon. By knowing what these models can and can't do, you'll be better equipped to utilize them effectively in your coding projects.
User experience is paramount when it comes to adopting new technology. Claude Opus offers a straightforward interface aimed at enhancing user interaction, while GPT-3 provides a more customizable experience. Developers have praised both models for their ease of use but have also noted areas for improvement. We'll explore reviews and feedback from users who have integrated these AI models into their workflows. Understanding the user experience can help you decide which model aligns best with your needs, ensuring a smooth transition and maximum productivity in your coding endeavors. The future of AI in coding is bright, with both Claude Opus and GPT-3 gearing up for exciting developments. Claude Opus plans to enhance its safety features, while GPT-3 looks to expand its creative capabilities. Keeping up with these trends is crucial for developers who want to stay ahead of the curve. We'll discuss predictions for the industry and how these advancements might impact your work. By staying informed, you'll be ready to harness the full potential of AI, simplifying complex tasks and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in software development. In conclusion, both Claude Opus and GPT-3 offer unique advantages for coding tasks. Your choice depends on your specific needs and project requirements. I encourage you to experiment with both models to see which one suits you best. Join the discussion in the comments and share your experiences with these AI tools. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and to continue exploring the world of AI in coding. Thanks for watching.